Ninja Legends. Just kidding, this is my first time playing. So, I have played this in my other account, so let's go right just. Okay. Ito, kukuha lang tayo ng mga magandang cheese. AFK muna tayo, guys. And see you in the next time. Brush, this is the best. Nah, I'm not doing this anymore. Okay, I just know what to do right now. If you're playing just like a noob like me, I know how to do this game easily. Yes. Okay. Now what should I do,
So,
guys?
paano nyo lang yung punta o gusto na tulog? Skip over kung haraw. Haluin mo yan. Hala ko may white sige.
Okay, now let's check how many is to buy all of this thing. And go to fortune. And what do we get? Please want something good. What did we get? Ooh! 5-minute auto train. Let's go. Bye.
Video ko ba? Let's go.
Let's check what can we buy. Buy all. Okay. We only need 5K. Wow, such a grabbing weekend. Guys, upgrade muna tayo. Pero, okay, 300 to. Sell.
Magbabay kami sa bayan kung bibili.
Sell.
Kung bumili igan ng sapatos, gano'n ko nga. Vitamins, hindi makabili. Ayaw na. Likes, parang hindi. Kalang gamin na. Yun lang.
Okay.
Okay. Simba ka
Galing
lang
ito.
naman. Ayaw na raw. Ay, ito.
Alam mo ano nilalaro namin? DTI. Stop.
Iba na naman yan.
Stop DTI. Dress to impress. Hoy!
Kaya mo si Kuya Du. Nabedas into pest. Pangit lang yung
Naandun ka lang pala kay Teacher Greg. Kay Gina Greg.
Ano guys, kaya pa i-raro natin in this
Ay, saan
video.
yung bahay niyo?
Babalik na ako guys. See you. Then, we're gonna go back here a few minutes because we're gonna do something right now. Right now. Okay, first, I'm gonna do something. What did you say you were playing? Huh? Hey.
Favorite mong Nina? Jacob. Jacob. Sino favorite mong Nina?
Sininang
IDK.
Don't know.
My answer is IDK.
Why?
Because I don't know.
Why don't know?
Because I pick IDK. Update Ninja Legends. Shut up, update. Hindi ka naman update Ninja Legends. Paano update mo? Ano kaya guys ilaro natin? Okay. Golden Harvest. Laser Tug Eliminate. No Tower Defense. Murder Mayhem. Duck Battles. No Tower Defense.
Sab ba na taste, bro?
Dark Drivers. Toilet Defense Ring. Horror the Problem.
Bro, wanna taste? This pancit canton.
Okay. So, horror the problem. Horror the problem. Okay. I think horror yung...
Damihan mo, parang hindi ka ubuhin. Oh, isa pa. Hindi ka talaga papasok na kay teacher ngayon? Siya raw gagawa. Wala. Magaling yan sa... magaling. Magaling yan sa math eh.
Warning.
What sabi sa'yo?
Okay. Killer Magas. Bro. I'm flying. Saan kaya yung may tao? Is nobody play? Am I the first person to join? No, what? I have to be the first player to join. If I'm the only person I join. Why do I have to be the first person to join? Ayun. Okay. Saan kaya tayo? Okay, so start na ako. Wala akong pack. Okay, let's check if I think there's only one visit is me. So if this is popular, let's just play a game about it. Then Dress to Impress. That is the worst game ever.
Magkakaroon ka ng bashers.
Shut up, eh. Shut up, ugly friend.
Wala kaming break, pero
Who released Cambric? OMG. Guys, I just forgot the best game to play. It's too many weapons! Too many weapons! Just kidding, it's not too many weapons. Okay guys, what to play? Sell guns. Oh, play chess, mama. Okay, let's check first. Okay, ito kaya yung maganda. Head crab. Okay, this game should... Okay. Okay, 2 million. 3 million. Hey, naglaro ko ng better games. Address to Impress. 2 billion visits. Bleh. Hey, how many visits ng Dress to Impress? Hey, how many visits ng Dress to Impress? How many visits ng Dress to Impress?
92%.
Ano yun?
I'm not sure. Kasi sa tablet ako maglalaro.
Pagka 2 billion lang, ay 1 billion. Oh, may naglaro ko ng din 2 billion. Ha? Ang pangalan yung Dress to Impress. Okay, Bosche Paul Martin.
Ano sabihin mo sa pangit? Marami kang bashers niya.
No.
Dito ako naglalaro. Bruh.
Bro, what do I have to follow? I got to follow up again. This I will see.
She is mad.
Okay, what to do? What do I do? I need to collect some purple orbs. Why do I always have to follow up the map? Menu. Okay, survivor. I will be a survivor.
You wanna play with me?
Gusto laro. Iba yung game natin gusto laro.
Gusto ko ng paano magpalit ng avatar? Pangit ng avatar ko.
You need Robux. Hero Robux mo.
Bumili ka na Robux?
Sa main account ko. No, why are you killing me? Listen. kill me. I only... Roger that. Okay, saan kaya ako makakuha? What time is perfect?
Friend mo muna ako.
Ano yun mo?
Aros.
Okay guys, I'm friending my ugly friend. That's my zero. Ito pala talaga name niya, zero IQ friend. Model class ka. Model class ka. Mamamatay ako. Okay guys, it's just gonna be Aras. Si Tata ba talaga name niya?
Tingnan mo, hindi mo nga alam paano i-spell yung Aros.
Okay. Okay, Aros. Yung pangit ng karakter mo. What is this?
My gosh, you don't even know how to spell it.
Ang 1,000 quadrillion. Ano nga 1,000 plus 8,000? 9,000. 1 billion plus 2 trillion. 1 billion. 1 trillion.
Mula ka ganito ako.
Hindi mo isabi may underscore.
You don't even know how to spell it, even though I say it was underscore.
Okay, now let's do something. Okay. Looking ka.
Ano ayaw mo?
Looking ka. Hey, murder mystery. Pinarang ko murder mystery. Ay, parang may mga i-descent at
Yung isa yung nilalaro namin ng friends ko.
ano?
Yung parang gagamba.
Alam ko yun. Laro natin yun. Yung may magiging rider ka.
Oo, may nakahabol. Baliw!
Ako yung gagamba.
My
Ako
God!
yung gagamba.
Can you about my water? Please. Dali.
Okay.
Uy, dahan-dahan.
Hinay, tatakot mo ako.
Bakit?
Maigi. I will not. Hey, alam mo may kopyang game doon?
Ay?
Kopyang game. Alam mo yung parang madaming,
friends ko tayo.
yung madaming hands. Okay. Yung parang madaming
What if
hands.
this one? Hospital Tycoon.
Ay, pangit yan.
Hindi, try ko lang. Ang itsura. Oh my gosh.
Hey, Ninja Legends.
Ayoko ng mga ganun.
Bakit? Pangit
Gusto
lang.
ko, gusto ko magbago ng itsura. Paano yun?
Hey, mas maganda nga yung... Parang mas maganda nga yung atsura mo sa akin
Ano
dyan.
ba itsura mo? Tingnan.
A simple cool bacon. A simple bacon. I'm a freaking simple cool bacon like you. same lang tayo. Bacon tayo. Shut the hell up. Hey, alam ko may maganda. Hey, may maganda akong alam. Hey, promise. Join mo lang ako. Fine, I'll join you. Ito-join kita. Pangit yung gross, di ba? Kuya, hey, gross yung profile nito. Hey, join mo yung group. Hey, leave ka sa game at i-click mo at down, scroll down ka at pag may nakita kong
Paano uli nagpapalit ng ano ko?
ha?
Paano nagpapalit ng resolution para maging low, para less lagi pa yun?
Dito. Sa internet mo.
Hindi gusto ko yung low resolution.
By the way, that's the only thing I don't know. Bro, how to do this? Later, join group. Line.
Ano, nasan ka na?
Ay, join pa lang ako. Play ball tayo maganda yun. Parang may bola at kailangan mo parang may bola kailangan mo Ang ganda ni mali ka.
Bakit?
Ganito ito yung way magkuha ng madaming money. Pero spammer ako. Alam mo, spammer ako to. Spammer ako. 1,000 na. Yung mini na pera mo.
I think this is better than elemental tycoon. It's more, peaceful, right?
Ayaw mo lang kasi na Vortex. Vortex, kung naipapatay lagi kita.
Oh, ikaw nga lagi nagpapatay. Ako nga lagi pumapatay sa'yo.
Hey! Hindi mo na remember yung technology. Grabe, patay ka! Nagagalit ka ng tasakin na yun. Dami. Hmm. 3,000 na. Hey! 3,000 na. May worker na ikaw? How many? Ako, 3. May. Mama ako. I need somebody. Hey, punta tayo sa middle. Maganda sa middle. Ang ganda. Basta tinignan natin. Punta ka sa middle. Hey, I'm right here. You know why? If you click this, you're now no longer peaceful. You know? And give me some money. Hey! Gusto ko yung Robo Game Pass para ma-rob kita. Alam mo kaya mag-rob? Alam mo kaya mag-rob dito? Reset ako. Nakalimutan ko kung saan yung base ko. Okay, boss Guys. Okay, this game is starting to get good. How do I already have zero money? As you see. Hmm? Ay, green. Green. Very green.
What's the favorite?
Huh? No? Hey, go on. I never played this game. Pwede naman mo. Pwede naman mo, hey.
500.
How are you so low?
Cause I bought mga rooms, bro.
Magkano yung rooms? Hey, alam mo kagaya lang, parang kagaya lang to ng may kagaya sila ng Elemental Tycoon. Alam mo they have rebirths.
Lo, ang ganda na ng ko.
No.
Tignan mo yung house ko. Punta ka sa akin.
Ngayon I'm getting money first. Hoy! May nagpapasok sa akin. Paano magpatay? No! I don't like it. May wolves ka ba, laser? Nag-off ako. Purple ka ba? May patient ka sa labas. May patient ka sa labas. I'm sick. Ako to. Hey, ang lapit ko na mapay yung Seeger Giver. 20,000 na pera ko. Ay, kung para studio. Hey! May nakuha akong badge.
Ano yun?
Oh no,
21k ka na. Ba't di ka nag-aayos ng
ayun na. I will die rin. Ano nagawa ko?
What's this?
No! You're hacking! No, you have so low money. Upgrade. Hey, how is your money so low? Huh? Ito.
Ano, wala ka pang wall? Wala ka pang workers? Madami.
Hindi naman to yung worker area. Nandito yung worker area ko.
Ilan na workers?
Ay,
I'll buy a
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. May sword ka na?
Yeah. Bakit? Para saan to?
1v1 tayo.
Oh.
gunfight! Hey, gunfight tayo! Gunfight! Yung tayo tuloy. Nandito tayo tumigay. Eh, nandito ka ba sa... Okay, we'll never be the strongest person. Reset ako. Nag-reset ako character. Okay, how many money do I have? Okay.
Sobrang galing.
Nino. Ah, 4,000 lang patient. Bibili ako ng first patient. Hire doctor. Doctor is not much. That's not much. I know you're happy. You're hacking, promise ka. Hey! 31,000 sa akin. Yung doctor. Bakit sabi mo 20,000? Uy! 100k na total cash ko award. Hey. May nakuha akong award.
Hala!
Ano?
May nang-laser sa akin! Bitch!
Wow, ang galing nila.
Paano nagkaroon ng ano?
Hey. May Robux yun.
Inis!
May Robux kaya ba na? Uy! Lag na to. Naglalag ako. Uy! I can hire a doctor. Thank you now.
Doktor ka na? Bilis mo naman.
Kuya, hey. Nung nag-hire ako ng doctor, parang kamukha siya kuya ko. Okay, sa room 1.
May nurse ka na? Wala pa.
Eh, wala pa.
Paano ka nagka-doktor? Wala kang nurse. Ano na yung patient?
Ah, good to be rich. Kinukuha mo na yung 100,000 coins award.
Girl, yung doctor sa akin.
Aba kasi babae ka. Oo. Lalaki sa akin. Wow, nung as many things I can get. Galing go. Also, you don't even know how to do a group.
Hindi ko alam yun.
So I'm much better at Roblox than you. So I know Roblox more than you.
You don't really know.
Mas gusto mo Elemental Tycoon? Lagi. Liar! Naka-forgot mo na? Yung baliw mo na, forgot na. Technology, nakalimutan mo yung elemental technology. Dark. Nakita, na-remember mo yun. Yung memories na yun.
You gotta earn a lot of money. Like, I wanna do.
Okay. Buy chairs. Cafeteria. Malapit na ako sa cafeteria.
Ilan na doctor mo? Isa lang?
Oo. Sa'yo. Arin!
Kasi iba to.
Hindi ko alam. Uy. Bitibo. Malapit na ako. May face mask ka ba? May face mask ka. Alam mo sa second room, kalan mo one Libert. Yay! Give me my second patient already. Hey, alam mo, Min, pag na-kick out mo, yay! You're now safe! Yay!
Ang cute may face mask.
Hindi mo pa na-equip yun?
Hindi pa. Ang cute!
Ang cute rin. Eh, yung cute ng mukha ko. Fluffy. It's fluffy.
Hindi ko makita.
You don't know.
Hindi harap mo.
Face mask.
Look at mine.
Face mask. Kasi donut. Donut. You're a donut. You're a fluffy donut. I want to eat your head because there's a donut. Parang masarap ikain yung head mo. May donut kasi. Okay, room 3. Blah. Blah.
Bawal to masave talaga.
Oo. May burn ako. Kasi kailangan yun ko sa second room. Doctor. Saan ba nabibili? Eh, basta invite mo ikaw. Invite kita. Please. Eh, paano magbili ng nurse?
Hire doctor unlocks in one rebirth. Ano yun?
Ha?
Ano yun?
Rebirth.
Ano mangyayari?
Mag-restart ka at pag na-reach mo na ulit dun, ito kung kaya mo na mabili. At sa third ay third. 1, 2 rebirths. Or do I have more patience? Somebody go! Please somebody come here. Ang dali lang naman nito, eh. Madali ba to sa'yo? Eh, madali ba to sa'yo? O hindi?
Long cute lang. Kabo. Oh, may vending machine ako. Kabo ko ice cream. Ay!
Ble. Nikuha ko Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Hey, I'm eating my lunch break. Hey, I'm eating my recess. Coca-Cola. Give me Coca-Cola. Can I have a sandwich? Uy. Uy, may kumain sa akin. Hey. May kumain sa akin. Ito yan. Bayak. I will eat with him.
Ba't sa akin wala ako?
Mag-i-eat ako sa kanya. I will eat. Hey, nag-i-eat ako sa kanya. Hey.
Oh, I have food selling areas, bro.
Hindi mo pa yung nakuha kanina. Kanina ko pa yung nakuha, no? Huh? Hindi ko nakikita yung outside walls.
Kaya nga, paano nalagyan ng... wala ko pumunta sa iba.
Pero, kaya mo sa akin. Hala, ang dami ko ng pool. Okay, follow me. Saan yung green potion?
I'm not sure why.
May patient ako nakalang ng green potion.
Dito.
Ha? Diyan. How do you don't have patience? I have a lot of patience. Ay, umalis na siya. Ay, umalis na siya. Ay, alam mo, pag nag-take ka too late, ayaw na niya. Send to Robon. I got you, my bro. I got you, my bro. I got you, my bro. Yung mga hindi ako kaya magawang.
Paano ko matitreach ako? Paano? Paano mo ginagawa?
Ay, nagkiklikan ko sila. Hindi mo kita? Wala ako. Hey! Hindi mo makuha. Hindi yan yun.
Stethoscope?
Ito. Hindi pa. Maraming mga nagpupunta. Kung hindi ko kaya mo. Ay. Ano? Yay! May nag-backflip! Sino mo? May nag-backflip! May nag-backflip sa akin. May nag-backflip sa akin. Somebody nag-backflip yung nai-help ko. Hey, ang sick ng nai-help ko.
Maganda to kasi sa elemental.
Yay! May nagganito. May nagganito sa akin. May nagganito sa bed nila. At may nag-backflip pa. Nakita mo yun? Alam mo yun? May nangyari sa ganun sa'yo. Okay.
Oo nga.
May nag-backflip. Backflip. Ang galing nila, diba? Backflip. By healing station. May garage pala. Hey, I have a bad feeling about you. You know why? You can never buy the garage. What do you need, sir? Okay, here you go. Ayan mo. Ay, maganda. Ay, sa green area. Ito ako sa green. Doon ako. What is it? This person. Hey, nasaan yung bandage? Yung mga bandage. Ano yung... Ha? Second room. Wait lang. Okay. Hey, yung bandage. Second room. Kung nga yung second room. Third room.
Hindi ka pala pag dyan naglalaro. Oh, let me in.
Yippee! They're so fun. Ang ganda ng mukha nila. I like their face.
Wala kang ano. Gusto mo mag-shoot ako dito?
Oo nga. Okay. Does get somebody want... Okay.
Basta mag-treat ka din ng pieces ko, ah.
Okay, ikaw dito mag-treat. Ikaw mag-treat dito.
Ayaw naman.
Kasi, baga ka lang ako. Nakaka-confuse ako.
Oy!
Why mo mabilis ka? Mas mabilis ka! Ang bilis mo eh. May kailangan akong iserve. Ano sila nito? May nagganito sa room. Ganito yung nagsa room. Tingnan mo, may nagganitong babae sa room ko. Hey, look. They're cool. May kailangan nila. Oh. Random lang. Ay, kalukulit. Okay. I need some more people. More people. You are more people. Upgrade ko na. Tagal ko hindi umupgrade. Bye. 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 Hey, why are you not a doctor? I'm a freaking doctor more.
I'm a doctor, bro.
Bro, I have more clothing than you.
Bro, I have more than clothing than you. Look, I have a doctor outfit, bro. Oh.
This is a doctor. A patient ako. He won't be one me. You need to kill me. Patay. Ha? Ilalagay ako sa inventory ko. Ay, magsa-sandwich ako. What do you need, sir? Okay, you need a green potion. Okay, guys. Okay, I will put something. May nag-layer president. Okay. Ang bait nila.
Less stress.
Room 1. Here you go.
Nag-eat lang po, bro.
Ngayon lang. Ha? Bumili nga nag-eat ng food ko.
Ano kumain ng food? Ba't di ako nakakakain?
Wait lang, hey. Ay! Hey! You don't know?
Oo, alam ko na.
Yum. Give me yum. 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 I'm sure. I need my lunch break. Uy! May nagkakain. Here you go. What should I buy? No things. I'll buy buy my windows. I'll just buy my windows. Hey, nakuha mo yung 100,000 coins award. Kanina ko palang yung nakuha, no?
Bro, I have an ambulance, bro.
Bro, you haven't this. Bro. Hey, nabili ko na yan. Kanina pa. Ito, hindi mo pa to nabili kanina. Hindi ko lang nasabi sa'yo, nakita ko na to kanina pa. Why I'm stuck? Wait, bibili. Okay. Ay, kaya. Ay, hindi. Hindi nasising. Hey, what do you need? Okay, sir. I will get what do you need. Please, sir, wait. I need to get. Random makukuha mo. Random na kukuha ko. Dito. Oh no. I think nandito si Cash. Some cash dito eh.
Okay.
May Cash. May taong name Cash sa dito. May hindi ako kaya magawa. Pwede lang pera. Bibili ko na yun. Ano? Ano yun? Next floor. Wala akong pake.
This is so amazing.
Uy, speed ko. I'm coming there. Eh, pupunta ako dyan sa speed coil ko.
Bakit?
Di mo nakuha yung speed coil? I like the speed coil. Please. Tatago ko lang. Hey, full na yung inventory ko. Tomato. the manager? May manager na pala ako? Ay, may bayad yung manager. Eh, gusto ko yung manager! Eh, gusto ko manager! Gusto ko yung manager. I like myself some chips. Eh, ang sarap ng kakain ko, chichirya. Ayun. Okay, sino yung mga patients? Okay, your doctor will deal with him. I will deal with the other people.
So hard to be a doctor and a CEO at the same time.
Nah, but I get what you need. I get what you need. Inventory. Hey, alam mo may more space ka? Alam mo may madaming space? How many? Laban tayo, hey! Hey, duwag maglaban. Si Hey, duwag maglaban. Hey, where's yung duwag at maglaban ako? Laban ako.
Can you shut up? We're
You shut up.
taking care of me. Tapusin mo dyan.
Ano kaya lasa ng green potion? Paano mo matitis? Ako nga yung ipapainom sa tao. Okay. Doctor na ako. Doctor na ako. I-invite kita. I-invite kita. I-invite mo ako. I-join mo ako. Ulit. Hey, ako yung pinaka-doctor sa akin.
Look at the look, bro.
Ano?
There's a mask on, bro.
I'll see some ears with me. Hey, saan na bibili yung second floor? May toilet. May toilet was. I need to buy my toilet. I need to buy toilets. I need to poop. Eh, punta ka sa akin. At punta ka sa bathroom. Na tayo ko.